Bach Llobregat, where today the Green Castellers team Cornellà de Vilanova in earthy yellow, Castellers of Falguera in purple in the middle, and to the right, two light blue pillars built by Castellers de Poblaceig de Barcelona. Here today is at the towers of 7 levels. That is how this culture is. A lot of small events, a lot of people coming together to enjoy this art. We are in Esparreguera, in Bach Llobregat, in Catalonia 2010.